Hello, my name is Tahlia Congdon, and for the last month I have been doing placement over at OIRS Island Research Station. This has included over 250 hours of work with typically 9-hour days from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Every day was different, and I was able to conduct a wide range of general maintenance jobs on the island and assist researchers on their fieldwork by either collecting data for them or using my knowledge of marine science and the area to aid in facilitating their research. Being a remote location, all maintenance of the research station needs to be conducted by staff members to ensure the upkeep of the facility. These jobs include generator changeover, pump pit maintenance, pruning overhanging trees, invasive weed control, mowing lawns, anti-fouling buoys, general cleaning, and much more. One of my favourite maintenance jobs was the cleaning of baby corals for PhD candidate Colleen Rudd. These corals have been grown from spores, and for their best chance of survival, we need to brush off all the debris that comes naturally from the seawater intake of the tanks. This has given me insight to the often less spoken about jobs of long-term research and coral growth in general. One of my biggest goals for my placement here on Orpheus was to improve my boating skills and complete my coxswain's taskbook to improve my employability in the marine industry. I'm extremely happy with how well I have progressed, with many hours of boating completed and many new skills learnt, especially reverse parking and boat safety briefings. I have had amazing instructors here on the island and can say I've achieved my goal of completing the taskbook. Above all this, I've been able to greatly improve on my scientific communication skills due to the wide variety of people who have come to the island to learn about marine science. This has included multiple research groups, a JCU Masters class, visitors from the resort, elders from Palm Island, and a high school group from Cathedral College. Each group required a different level of knowledge about the marine habitat here and therefore challenged me to deliver information in a variety of ways. So challenged with helping those in the Masters class to assist them with different research and analysis techniques. Due to my knowledge of the area, I was able to give insight to their projects on different methods that would help them achieve their goal more efficiently. I also had to help facilitate their research by joining them on their data collection and analysis. In my last 2 days of placement, I'm going to be assisting Dr. Alison Paley on the Classroom on the Reef program to teach high school students about marine science, and I'm looking forward to the challenge of furthering my scientific communication skills once again. Another job here at the research station was to retrieve and deploy receivers and transceivers. This included acoustic receivers for monitoring tag sharks in the area for PhD candidate Nicholas Lubitz, and transceivers for recording the temperature of the ocean where a coral farm is located on Falcon Island for the Australian Institute of Marine Science. I was lucky enough to be involved in plankton research for Matt Gordon, who is specifically looking into bioluminescent dinoflagellates. This included plankton toes, rDNA and taxa sampling, UBAT data collection and water sampling. For this, I was required to assist on late-night data collection and analyse in the wet lab at the research station, where we looked into the plankton species that were collected from our plankton toe. Overall, my time here at Orpheus Island Research Station has been an amazing learning opportunity for me to see the behind-the-scenes of research and what it takes to organise fieldwork. This placement opportunity has motivated me highly to further my studies after my bachelor's, and I will forever be grateful for what I have learned, especially with my progression in boating and scientific communication.